Materials requirements. Planning, MRP, is a crucial system for managing manufacturing processes, ensuring that the right materials and components are available for production at the right time. By optimizing resource utilization and controlling inventory costs, MRP helps businesses maintain efficiency while meeting production demands. MRP serves as a production planning, scheduling, and inventory control tool designed to ensure material availability. For example, General Motors relies on MRP to keep its manufacturing plants running smoothly by calculating the materials needed at different stages of vehicle production. This system ensures that components, like engines and transmissions, are available when required, preventing production delays and aligning schedules with customer demand. The optimization of inventory levels is another major benefit, as MRP minimizes excess stock and the costs associated with carrying surplus inventory. Demand forecasts play a central role in MRP systems, which adjust production schedules based on projected customer needs. Nestlé, for instance, uses MRP to predict demand for its wide range of products, including beverages and snacks. By analyzing sales patterns and seasonal trends, Nestlé ensures that ingredients and packaging materials are available to meet production targets without creating excessive inventory, thus balancing supply and demand efficiently. A key element of MRP is the Bill of Materials, BOM, which details all the components required for production. In the aerospace industry, companies like Airbus depend heavily on a detailed BOM to manage the assembly of aircraft. From large parts like fuselages to smaller components like rivets, the BOM helps Airbus accurately calculate material requirements, streamline procurement processes, and ensure timely production. Lead times, the time it takes for materials to be delivered once ordered, are another critical consideration in MRP. Lenovo, a major producer of computers, factors in lead times for components such as hard drives and processors when planning its production schedules. By accounting for the varying lead times of different parts, Lenovo can reduce the risk of bottlenecks in its assembly lines, ensuring that production continues uninterrupted. MRP also plays a significant role in managing inventory. For example, Unilever uses MRP to coordinate the supply of raw materials for its personal care products. The system helps Unilever determine the ideal time to reorder items like fragrances and packaging, reducing the costs associated with holding excess inventory while ensuring there are no shortages that could disrupt production. In addition to managing materials, MRP integrates with production scheduling to ensure that manufacturing processes align with material availability. Toyota leverages MRP to schedule its vehicle production based on the availability of essential components and customer orders. This synchronization of material and production schedules enhances Toyota's operational efficiency by reducing downtime and ensuring timely vehicle assembly. The success of MRP also relies on strong supplier relationships. For example, Samsung works closely with its suppliers to ensure a steady flow of components for its electronic devices. By sharing production forecasts and material needs with suppliers, Samsung minimizes delays in its supply chain and ensures that it can meet its production targets on time. MRP systems require continuous improvement to adapt to evolving business needs. Coca-Cola regularly reviews its MRP processes, analyzing key performance metrics such as production efficiency and inventory turnover. By making adjustments based on this data, Coca-Cola continuously enhances its material management, improving overall operational efficiency and reducing costs. In conclusion, materials requirements. Planning is an indispensable tool for managing manufacturing processes efficiently. Companies like General Motors, Nestlé, Airbus, and Lenovo use MRP to streamline material availability, optimize inventory levels, and improve production scheduling. By incorporating demand-driven planning, accurate bills of materials, and strong supplier collaboration, businesses can meet production goals while minimizing costs and maximizing resource utilization. The continuous improvement of MRP systems ensures that organizations stay competitive in a rapidly changing marketplace.